Alright, so my people, now welcome back onto this channel. No be small something, no. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting the bill, exactly waiting the people they talk about. Alright, so my people, this thing where they happen, it funny, it funny so much. Now, I just gonna ask myself, say, waiting they happen. Wetin dey sup o? Why e be say some people just dey their home be say make dem just dey deceive people up and down. Now the matter wey we dey talk about na this matter of this man and this woman, this guy wey dem dey call Ijinle Magoti, and that woman wey dem dey call Dupe Onidoti. My brother, my sister, you sure say these people then they okay? You sure say these people then they alright? With everything where we dey hear about these people, my brother, my sister, I no sure say these people then they okay. Why you go tell people say make them go or your state government secretariat say make them go occupy, say na don occupy the whole country, say Yoruba nation don't stand, and then you sit down they talk this thing, your mouth dey jo bele for that place where you dey talk say make all the Yoruba people make them go meet the soldier of Yoruba nation. I don't know where that your own Yoruba nation for come sha. He say make them go meet to the una soldiers, say your soldiers then they for secretariat for your state now make them go welcome them, say because na don't take over Yoruba land. I don't sure bless these people then get malaria. This guy wey they call Ijinle Marcus, the boy get malaria. The guy you know they okay. Because this boss sit down for where he sit down, he close eye, they talk big thing we go put to many generation for trouble. But we no go blame am anyway. This generation they don't escape or anything where you plan at your head. Because you know if you can't tell people say make them go secretariat, go there. Which people you they communicate with self? Which people you they talk to self? Because now me I don't understand. Now you come outside, they say waiting they happen now be say now on a right to collect the Yoruba nation. Because of that, una don't send on a soldier make them go or your state now make them go occupy, say na their land, na there then they say they don't need to fear anybody. Say make all those yaloja, all those market women people, make them quickly run go secretariat for Ibadan. Say the soldiers of Yoruba nation don't they there, make them go support them, make them go welcome them. Waiting they sup? Who be these people? Who una waiting be una target? Now many people don't come outside though. They don't rain many curse give this boy whether they call it Ijinle curse. They even still a letter and they know say you sit down for that place where you dey, you can't they push small children, make them go buy. You can't they buy the small children with your own clear eye where you know say possible. You can't say make these children make them go put their Yoruba nation flag for inside the Oyo state government secretariat. May they come out the one of Nigeria. My brother, my sister, waiting they sup. Who be this boy? Him believe say that place where in they no fit see am abi. Now he come dey push innocent people, make them go buy. Now see wetin come dey happen after him talk all this thing. He no even reach 24 hours. Now he then gbab all the boys for inside that same place where he say make all those yaloja go welcome the the soldier of in own Adele, not Yoruba nation, because Yoruba nation, the real Yoruba nation wey we know, they will not do that kind of nonsense thing wey dem dey do. Now people don talk am say this Marcus wetin dey wait for, wetin the government dey wait for, make dem go pick am. Then you go come outside come tell us wait where him for collect nation. Well, where you for see where government go dey operate, you go come say make them comot for you, say na you get the country. Who does that? My brother, my sister, no be small something, no. Now everybody don let am understand say he no suppose to even dey where woman being dem dey. Say because he dey talk like person wey be say he don lose something for brain, and then they can't warn am say anything happen to those people wey him send go there, say he must go follow them. He must go follow them. Say because this thing wey he dey do am deliberately. They push young innocent people, make them go kpai. Because me I never see where dem dey do that kind thing before. I never see am. Say make all the women, say make them go appreciate them as they don enter secretariat. Now wey they don catch them, he come outside, they say make them release them or else. Why these people be like this? Wetin dey sup? No be small something. Everybody don tell them say like this. Anybody wey see dey follow these people, make them try go church, make them go wash their head, because this thing wey these people dey do no be ordinary. Wey you just grown up man go just wake up one day, go come dey follow this kind people dey waka. You go dey obey anything wey this kind people dey talk. Things wey no fit possible at all. If at all you wan collect nation, shey na like that then they collect am. Shey na like that then they take the actualize the nation by force. And then you wey you dey push them, make them go, you know dey there. Now everybody dey talk am. You dey obodo oyibo for that side, you dey command the innocent children, make them go kpai. In case you don't know, na wetin you dey do be that. And the people that don say your secret don't expose it. Both Ijilema got you, both Dupe Onidot you, both that one wey they call black goat you, all of them. No be small something. Now everybody come dey say wetin be all this one, wetin dey happen. Because now they say that they lie for those people, say they don't collect the Yoruba nation, say nobody make them fear, and those ones have come carry themselves then go. I don't know wetin they use talk to them. I no sure. Wait till I won't even know something. Those people wey be say they enter inside that secretariat wey wear Oyibo army uniform enter, so we call themselves a Yoruba nation army. Shey those people them be human being? I don't know. Shey they no dey this planet at all? Because for somebody wey be say you go carry you, wey be say no dey around, you go come carry tell you say make you go do this one, go do that one, things wey you know say if you kpai you sef carry yourself, you waka. Now I don't see as they catch them, say as all of them they do. Like say they use something knack them, they don't know wetin carry them reach there, they don't know wetin them they do. Now so we can't see them now, my brother, my sister, everybody don't come outside. They say these people make una stop to dey listen to them. Say na lie, then they lie you. Say everything wey dem talk na big lie, na him dem dey lie. Say na deceive, then they deceive the people. They just won't buy all the Yoruba people. I don't know the people wey be say come dey follow these people, they listen to them, go dey do wetin dem no suppose do. Now you wan go the state governor house, say wan go in office, say make him carry him load, say na una get the country, abi wetin you dey try tell us? My brother, my sister, there is fire on the mountain, make everybody shine high, because wetin this woman they plan to do, no be better thing o. E get bad thing. In fact, somebody don talk am say everything wey be say dey happen, say na this woman na him know everything, na him know wetin she wan achieve, wey come make everybody, people come dey suffer, wey come dey allow innocent soul to go discover themselves. How dem wan take escape this one now wey dem don catch them? Who wan come to their rescue? Fulani people dey there, dem dey disturb people for farm, dem dey kpai all these people. You no fit send this your army go make dem go deal with them, but you fit send them go meet government wey dey on im seat, so that wetin go happen? My people, this one e get as e be o. Make all of una shine una eyes, e get as e be, because this thing wey dis people dey do, e no gel at all, e no correct at all. Well, those people wey dem send go there, I pray say with time dem go talk out, dem go tell us how, whether dem use something knack dem, whether dem use handkerchief rub their face, say make dem go Oyo state government secretariat, make dem go carry their own flag put for there, which Yoruba nation una dey fight for. We no know the one wey una dey fight for. Abi no be this same Yoruba nation wey everybody dey talk so? Say okay, make we calm down, make things, make we for know where we dey go. Yeah, maybe na another one sha. Well, my brother, my sister, na this kind thing na in dey surprise also. Well, meanwhile, my people, make una try, make una subscribe if this na your first time wey you be say you dey join us onto this channel. And then as e dey go, make una no forget to also dey share and make una dey like am too. Na so e be onto this one. Until I come on our way next time, I say una bye for now.